what you can do at the track to make your car faster. Well, there's very few things that you can adjust at the track that improve your car quickly and easily. The biggest thing is tire pressures. Tire pressures are everything. I spend the entire first morning of every track weekend working on my tire pressures because I will not make any other adjustment, the shocks, the suspension, geometry, nothing until I get those tire pressures right. Because you need all that tire on the ground, and if you don't have, like, if you had like too much air or too little air, it might feel like, you know, it gives you a push in the front end. And if you start adjusting things like shocks or sway bars, you're not going to make it better. You're probably going to make it worse. So you need to get that tire pressures right. How do you do that? The tools. Now I'm going to show you the some like professional grade tools. This is okay. This is like professional. This goes down to 1/10 of a pound, and I can tell you that, like, when I work with IndyCar teams, they set their tire pressure to 1/10 of a pound. So that's at the professional level. Now, what we have, and we have for our people, is this handy dandy tire pressure gauge. And it's also, you see this little button here? That's really important because the whole idea is you overfill your tire, and then you can use this button to bleed it down to get the exact tire pressure you're looking for. And of course, it's got a nozzle. Actually, it comes with a little air nozzle too. So that's how you actually set your tire pressure, is with a tire pressure gauge. But how do you know what to set it at? Okay, I'll go backwards first. Now, I'll show this is, I'll take the protective covering off, the child-proof covering. This is, I was going to see if I could pull up some temperatures, but it's all been erased. This is another professional type tool. And this, there's your little probe, and that goes into the tire, outside, middle, inside. And you record those on a sheet, or with one of these, it records automatically all four corners, and you can put it into memory, and it'll save it. But if you don't have, one of these, that's the next best thing. One of these. This little probe, you see on. Nice big letters. I like nice big letters. They're easy to see, numbers. So that's on centigrade. Switch over to Fahrenheit. Okay, I guess my finger's 88 degrees right now. Again, you outside, center, inside, and what you're shooting for is to get the pressures uniform across the tire. Now, you rarely will be able to get perfect temperatures right across. That rarely happens. But if you don't have one of the handy dandy, like professional grade temperature readers, and this is our tire temperature sheet that I've used for I don't know how many years. And this comes with the kit. Also, I think through the end of the month, or when? Through the end of April. Through the end of April. If you order anything, just I look down here, put the code in tire temp, and you get a free pad of tire temperature sheets. And I record this right left front, all around the car. And what I'll do is I'll put the starting pressure, the cold pressure. I'll do a tire temperature run, and then I'll make an adjustment based on what the temperatures say. Write down the adjustment, and then the next time I go out, we'll do the next set of temperatures right underneath there to see what the adjustment did, and keep working it through until I get the right pressures. And the thing what we're looking for is, like, you never get uniform across, except with some race cars. It's say the way to balance it. Let's say you've got 100 degrees on the inside and 120 degrees on the outside. What you want that middle temperature to be is 110. That way you've got, you know that your temperatures are balanced and your pressures are balanced. So that's kind of what we're looking for, to get as close to that as possible.